no growth is not inherent.
Welcome guys. In this video we are going to see how to structure a project or a small project that we are going to create, and we will be doing it the same way. So I just want to give you a little idea how things work. So for example, we have this page currently. It just has nothing, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a header here, and similarly we need more, so I add twice. This one I want it to be blog, and here going to be blog.php. Then we have files straight away. So if I go into the directory of our project, you can see here index, then functions, and nothing else. These files are not here. So when we be working on the application and we want this application to get bigger, we want to organize it in a better way. So we cannot just straight away say blog.php. We better put a directory. So I'm going to create a directory here. I say pages. Now if it is a bigger application, we might have further subdirectories, but for now it's fine that we have pages. So what we do, I'm going to say here, create a new file, and I'm going to give it a blog.php. I'm going to save this inside pages, and similarly we need about.php, and I'm going to save it inside pages as well. So you can see that we got two files there. Now if I go to these files in the link, we need to add pages here. So if I refresh, we have three links. So if I click on blog, we get a blog. Currently it says blog.php. I go back in the about.php. Now if you notice here that when I go to the about file, we are not seeing the links anymore. Links are gone. It's like just the about. This text is showing up. So we want that link should be on every particular page, because go into the directory again, and in the directory for these kind of small things we can create another folder which is going to be includes. Alright, so includes going to have a file called let's call it, so header goes inside includes. Alright, so similarly you might want to create a footer. So footer also goes in includes. So you get the idea, like your directory structure will be something like this. You have includes, those are going to be included on every page. You have pages, all the pages go here. You have functions, where you have function file, or maybe further directories with functions on them. Now we have include in header. So what I do, I'm simply going to cut this, and I'm going to put it inside our header. Alright, so we have it here. Now in index we are going to include it as header, so we need to put it that way, includes / header.php. So I save this, and we go back, we refresh the page, we have our links on here. Now if I go to blog, we have no links there, so let's fix that. So what we need to do here is, on every page, wherever you want these links to be, you need to add this line, you need to include it. So I save this here, I go into blog, and there alright, now very fresh here, we get include failed, no such file directory. Alright, so here is a thing that you need to know. On the main page we said includes index.php. If we go to the folder, you will see that the index.php is out here, and then the includes, and then the header. Now for the pages for about and blog, we don't have an includes folder right now next to them. So we need to get out of one folder so that it comes to this directory and then get inside includes. So to do that, you do this way. You simply put dot dot like this, and here too, and this time it should be fine. So refresh, you get the page links here too, you get about, you get page links there too. Home page, and then we are going to call this file at the bottom just like this, footer.php. So what I do here is I'm gonna copy the same in here. Just now, for now, I'm just showing you for an example, nothing more than that. So just when we are going to work on the project, we're going to make it better. So you can get the idea how I'm including the files. That's the most important thing to understand this particular video. So here we can say blog, and I say here save. Okay, refresh. We have home page, then footer.php doesn't have any content, so it's showing it like that. So look, just for now it's footer. So you can see that this is coming from header, this is coming from footer, this is the home page. Now when I click blog, it gets blog here, footer, we have links. You go to about, we have about and footer and header. So this is how the site loads. So you get the idea how things are working. We will be doing some more good practices when we be working on this one. So I'll tell you about that more. So just to give you this idea like how things work, you have this. I will leave the code in the description so you can download for your reference. Thank you for watching. See you next one.
And I'll go